white PVA glue, slime activated of soda. So add. I mean, maybe it's best if I think you can hear it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing well. In today's video I thought we could do something really fun. It's my first time ever doing it and I'm really excited. I'm going to try and attempt to make slime for the first time. Last time I touched slime was years ago, honestly. Didn't turn out great. I don't even know if what we ended up making, what you could call it, slime, let's just put it like that. But I've got the stuff with me and I'm going to try and be, successful at it today, try and have some fun with it. And who knows, it might turn out alright. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm now all set up. I've got the ingredients, let's call them the ingredients, in front of me. I've got this white PVA glue. I've of course got the slime activator, and I've got this bicarbonate of soda, which is going to be basically the baking powder. Got my little dish here and a spoon that I'm going to use to mix it all together. I don't have any measuring equipment with me, so I'm just going to basically try my luck and see how well it all turns out. So first of all, I've got this white PVA glue. I'm going to open this up. I think what I'll do is I'll do a little bit and then I will add to it. I think that's the best way to go with this. I've got this little top bit that I've got to get off. Hold on. I don't know how easy this is going to be to remove the top. Okay. That was a pretty easy-ish. I've literally just got glue all over my finger, which is annoying, but it is what it is. I guess this is where the fun starts. It's just PVA, so it's not that bad. It's just going to dry off on my fingers a bit too quickly. So rub them together. Anyways, great start. Managed to get glue all over my fingers. But anyways, this is where I've got to put the top back on. And just take this top off. I'm sure. Wait. I don't know. What do I do with this? Oh, I see. Okay, I've got to do it through this. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit in. Hold on a minute. What's going on here? Do I need to put it off? Like, what do I do? Okay, I'm just gonna do it like this instead. So a little bit of glue, and we're going to add a little bit of this bicarbonate soda. Add like that. And the activator. A little bit. I don't know how much more of this stuff I'm going to need. So I'm just going to get this spoon, I'm just going to start mixing. guess this is where I get my fingers involved. This is really, really sloppy. Wet and slimy. Feels really weird. I don't know if I'm doing this the right way or what, but I'm kneading it with my fingers. Oh gosh, that doesn't look like it's how it's supposed to be. It's gone really firm. Nope. Perhaps if I had a bit more glue to it. And a bit more of this. And a bit more of this. Mixing it. Oh. Maybe this is, maybe I just gotta keep doing it until like all this solution, like the activator, is all dried up in it. Maybe that's the secret. Just keep doing this. I mean, it's got bigger because I've obviously added more to it. This always looks so easy on YouTube. This is just breaking apart if I pull it too much. Perhaps do I need to add more glue? Let's add a bit more glue. Let's use a spoon again. Use my fingers again. Do I need to add more bicarbonate soda? What do I do at this point? Add a bit more of this. Does this look right? I mean, I've successfully made it bigger. This just doesn't look like, feel like slime. Unless it is like this. Yeah, I don't know, it just feels really rubbery. Like it's supposed to stretch. A little bit more glue. I feel like I'm cooking. I feel like I've got the recipe completely wrong. I don't know. I mean, I've watched slime videos, but I just haven't really watched this how you make the slime. Maybe I should have done that first. But I did look up the ingredients on Google, but maybe it's because I just haven't got proper measuring equipment. That's where I've gone wrong. I mean, maybe it's best if I put it on the table instead. Like, how do I make it go, you know, like that? Get what I mean? I really don't know what to do at this point. Maybe I just need to keep putting it in the activator. Maybe the activator's the answer, more of that. Let's put a tad bit more in there. Maybe I've just made it too thick and I need a lot of activator now to make it do its thing. it doing this. I don't know, is it me or do I feel a difference? Do I feel like it's doing that? You put your fingers in it. Get it all in there. I mean, I'm really pushing. I mean, it kind of feels a bit stretchy. Maybe it was just the activator that I had not done too much of. It doesn't feel like it wants to break apart really now, unless I'm just being light-handed with it. I think I need to just focus on certain areas. I'll get you some ASMR today. I hope this is entertaining at some point. Or if you do feel entertained, I'm happy that you do. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Let's just keep basically kneading it. It's definitely more stretchy. I was trying to make the clear one, but I guess it's the glue that put the PVA one. If there was a clear one, if I'd picked that up instead, it may have just been clear. I think that's where I went wrong on that one. So the clear glue should have been the one to pick up, but I couldn't see any in the shop, so I got that one instead. But anywho, I mean, it kind of feels a bit less rubbery, a lot less rubbery than what it was, but still a bit rubbery. It's a lot stretchier. The kneading is the hard work. Can you even call this slime? Or just hard slime? I don't know. It's stretching, that's all I know. Okay, there's a rip. Okay. So you can stretch it, but only to a certain extent. Okay, I think that's the best I'm going to get it. But anyways, if I put this to one side, I just mop it. Just put this to, got a bit of glue on that. Let's get this all together. I mean, compared to what it was, it's an improvement, and I think this is probably the closest I've really ever got to making a proper-ish slime. It's obviously not 100% there, but you can squish it. You can definitely see your fingers making like a print in it. So maybe I'll just have to look at the ingredients again and maybe try another attempt in another video and see if it goes any better. I mean, I think you can hear it squishing about. But you can't. You can stretch it, but not all that much. It's just really flat. But there you go, that's my attempt at a slime. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, thank you. Have a good rest of your day. Bye bye.